case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1935, the Minnesota Supreme Court took on a riveting case known as Cochran v. Whitby, testing the limits of law and love with a protagonist who was a master manipulator. The tale starts in Kentucky, where Ira Soper tied the knot with Adeline Johnson in 1911. However, this story swiftly veers into the territory of film noir when Soper, faking his own death, vanished only to re-emerge in Minnesota under a new identity, John W. Young. As Young, Soper adopted a bigamous lifestyle. He married 2 more women, including Gertrude. Business opportunities came knocking too, and Young collaborated with a man named Karsten. Their partnership agreement was innovative but ominous. Each partner tied his fate to a life insurance policy. If one met their demise, the remaining partner agreed to assume control and compensate the deceased's spouse using the proceeds of the insurance policy. This contractual arrangement became an issue with the sudden and shocking arrival of Johnson, Soper's first wife, into his Minnesota life. Upon uncovering her husband's subterfuge and his busy marital and professional life, Johnson demanded the benefits outlined in the contract between Young and Karsten. Unfortunately for her, the lower court didn't see eye to eye with her arguments, ruling instead in favor of Gertrude's claim to the insurance money. Undeterred, Johnson fired the next salvo in this legal battle, taking her case to the Court of Appeals. After rounds of discussions and evidence presentations, the court made a compelling decision. They ruled that the insurance money was, in fact, for Gertrude, thus validating the intentions of Soper. It emerged that Ira Soper's double life hadn't just been secretive, but it had also been carefully planned to provide for Gertrude if something were to happen to him. However, his lack of specificity, multiple marriages, and illicit actions were met with criticism from Olson, the dissenting judge. Olson argued that the term wife was unambiguous, since a man can have but one lawful wife. But as the gavel fell, it was apparent that even in the face of controversy and ambiguity, sometimes words, intention, and context can transcend legal definitions to affect outcomes that were never anticipated by law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.